Let's unbox the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. A rugged phone with a built-in projector and massive power. It comes packed with a huge 25,500 mAh battery, Android 15 and a full 5G support. The 6.95-inch display is bright, smooth and easy to see outdoors. The built-in 150 lumens projector turns any space into a mini cinema. You get a 50 megapixel main camera and a 64 megapixel night vision camera. Water resistant and has a crazy bright 1100 lumens light. Is the Armor 34 Pro ready for anything?